Okay, now we're down here at the receiver. I was going to show you a couple things here, like if you had DMX 512 coming in with a console, it would hook up here. And then also, if you have a control station, much like this one here, which is collage, it would get wired into your collage terminal strips on the bottom of the receiver. Also, right here, I was telling you before about the red LED if the cabinet goes into overtemp. This simulates what you would see, red LED, indicating that the receiver's in overtemp. Green LED indicates that you have a good valid link between the control station and the receiver board. Out of the receiver board comes in digital, out of the other end it comes out analog going up to your dimmer control cards. Now down here at the bottom, the receiver is patchable. So it has a couple functions. If you hit the mode button one time, what this tells you, there's 12 LEDs right here, indicating that the 12 dimmers that you have in this particular cabinet goes to patch A, and then you notice number 1 is lit up right now with the dot after it. That indicates that's what dimmer number 1 is patched to channel number 1. And as I would scroll through them, you see 2 is 2, 3 is 3, and so on up to number 12. If you'd want to change that patch, assign dimmer number 1 to a different channel, all you would do is use the left-right arrows here, and you can assign it any channel that you want. Hit the store button, and now dimmer number 1 is programmed to channel number 5. If you hit the mode button again, it goes to load type. Load type LED is lit now. You can see that. IN means that you have an incandescent load hooked up to the dimmer. Or if you hit it again, just scroll left to right, you can program it for a fluorescent, or you can program it as a non-dim. Non-dim is either on or off. The dot again indicates what it's programmed to. You hit your mode button again, and that is the level that you have, the maximum level coming out of the dimmer. In this case, this one's programmed to 100%. You could turn it down to whatever you want. If you want your lights only at 90% to save life on bulbs, you can program it. You just scroll down, hit the store button to save it to that, and that's what that dimmer maximum output will go to 90%. You hit the mode button again, and it goes into the test control LED lights. That indicates, right now it says FC focus check. Gives you a function where you can go in and scroll through the dimmers one at a time if you're not sure what dimmer is programmed by what channel. Also, after that, because this particular one is a dual receiver, it has another patch B, which you can assign for a console that would be hooked up to it. And you can assign those same channels to what channel you want to operate the dimmer on a console. And you would do that the same way I showed you the first part. After that, let's see. Mode button again. This right here, the next and very last LED, once you hit it again, it says rules. And right now it tells you that it's programmed that B takes control of A. You can program that to whatever you want also. That would be if you have a console and you have a control station, which one takes precedence. You can program A just to A, or you can program just to B, or highest takes precedence. That's what that function does. Hit the mode button again and it takes you out of the patch menu. Also, you notice right now, link A LED is on. That is because I'm tied with the control station. For some reason, if there would be an issue with the control station or the receiver and you did not have a valid link, and your control station did not work, or wiring was wrong, what you would see is probably the LED goes out, and it might go on for a split second and then go back out. That indicates either a driver chip on the receiver, which is right here. This is for the one link, this is for the other link, or on your channel. you know, your collage station. What else could we go over here? Also, you do get a manual that comes with, can you see it?